Remember when every dental concern felt like a problem? A toothache, a broken filling, a question about your treatment plan, and suddenly you're searching online, comparing reviews, checking schedules, and wondering how long it'll take to get help. For many people, the stress isn't just the dental issue itself, it's everything that comes after. Finding a provider, scheduling appointments, taking time off work, driving across town, waiting for answers. Dental care can sometimes feel harder to access than it should be. Most people don't want more complexity. They want convenience, they want answers, they want guidance from professionals without disrupting their entire day. And that's exactly why virtual care continues to grow. Instead of starting with a waiting room, patients can start with a conversation. Virtual consultations make it easier to connect with dental professionals, discuss concerns, and understand next steps. Modern dental technology goes beyond video appointments. Tools like MouthCam help patients capture detailed images from home, while remote monitoring solutions help keep patients connected between visits. The goal isn't replacing traditional dentistry, it's making access easier. When getting dental guidance becomes easier, something important happens. You stop stressing, you spend less time searching for answers and more time focusing on your health. Dental care should fit your life. Discover a more connected approach with Dentulu.